In this question, we're asked to sketch a plan view of the object. The plan is what we see when we look down on an object. So we're going to see the part shaded red. We need to sketch this. If we take one of the sides, 3 squares long, so we can start by drawing that. Then we come down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We come back across 1. Then we move back up 1, 2, 3 squares. And then across 2 and 2 to get back to where we started. So that completes our plan view. And now we move on to part B, and this time we're asked to do a front elevation. That means looking at the object from the front, which is indicated, and we would see a thin rectangle, but we'd also see another rectangle set further back. So we need to sketch this. So if we take the larger rectangle, it's got a height of 3 and 2 squares across the top. So 2 and a height of 3. The smaller rectangle will look as if it's next to the other rectangle. It's just 1 square across, also a height of 3. So we have the 2 rectangles. So the front elevation will look as shown. Moving on to part C, we're asked to work out how many unit cubes will be needed to build the above shape. The object is basically made up of 2 cuboids. The volume of a cuboid is the length multiplied by the width multiplied by the height. So we can work out how many unit cubes there are by doing just this. So if we look at the cuboid on the right hand side, this has a length of 3, a width of 1, and a height of 3. So the number of cubes will be 3 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 3, which gives us 9. If we now go to the other cuboid, and again we need to know the length, width and height. So we can see we have 2 along the bottom there, 3 height and 3 deep. So the dimensions are 2 by 3 by 3. So we multiply those together. 2 times 3 is 6, times 3 is 18. So we add these together to get the total number of cubes. So altogether 27 cubes are needed.